In the arrow diagram on the right, the function f maps x to y, and the function g maps y to z. So determine a f2. So f2 means function 2 with function f with object 2. So we know that x to y is function f and y to z is function g. So this is function f. So 2 is object. So which means function f with object 2 is what? Image. So we know x, y. So the front here will be object. So we know that object and then maps image. So this is object, this is image. So we see here if object is 2, then we will get the image of 5. So here is 5. So B, G, 5. So G5 we know function G with image 5. So we know it maps Y to Z. So this is object, this is image. So when the object is 5, the image is 8. So here is 8. So C, G, F, 2. So we know this is F, this is G. But if we map this way, we will get G, F, X. So you see here the difference. So instead of FG, when we map together, it will be G, F. Okay. So here see G, F2. So G, F, X. So G, F maps function X to Z. So when the object, X, when the X is 2, then the image is 8. So see, okay. So D, F inverse 5. What does it mean by F inverse? So we know F. So here this is X, this is Y. So if this way is F, so F inverse, that means it's going another direction. So this is F inverse. So we know F inverse Y, then we will get X. So here F negative F inverse 5, then because this is F, so the another way around is F inverse. F inverse 5 is 2. So E, G inverse 8 is equal to, so we know this is G, so another way around is G inverse. So we know that G inverse 8, so when this one is the object, we know it's going here. So the arrow, this one is the image. So this one, the image is 5. And then F inverse G inverse. So we see here, GF means F first, then G. So here, F inverse G inverse, so means we start with G inverse first, then F inverse. So G inverse first, then F inverse. So we can say that, so it's mapping function Z to X. So Z to X, so when the object is 8, then we get the image of 2.